It's the ultimate snow fighting machine. The Honda Hs1332 ATD two-stage snowblower moves up to 66 tons of snow per hour, with a discharge distance of up to 57 feet. The rugged self-propelled track drive is powered by an infinitely variable hydrostatic transmission and clears a path 31.9 inches wide. Steering is easy with dual-handle clutch controls. The articulated discharge chute is controlled by a remote electronic joystick and offers 198 degrees of left to right snow dispersal. Other features include convenient DC electric starting, a powerful LED headlight, LED hour meter, glove-friendly gas cap and fuel gauge. Use Honda's easy thumb-operated infinitely variable gas strut to adjust your auger clearing height. Honda protects your auger housing too by using a special, easily replaceable shear pin in the event a solid object enters the auger housing. All this is covered by Honda's solid 3-year warranty. See the full line of incredible Honda snowblowers at honda.com. Honda snowblowers. Very smart.